last live streaming we had a problem regarding my machine. I've been made some changes and the system stayed unstable. Right now we're going to install virtual guest editions on Centos 7. We have installed the graphical with matte. We haven't installed we haven't installed it other graphical desktops. You want only to use this one right now. As you can may observe, when we are working inside the virtual machine of Centos, the mouse cursor stays freeze and it stays jailed on the window of the Centos 7. So you have to install guest editions. To install guest editions, let me do some changing here about desktop. Okay. First of all, you have to run as root, so you'll do system user or substitute user. You enter the password of a root, and now as a root you have to install some more package. So first, if up np0s3 is now activated, we have also here icon. This desktop configuration is from Mate, and now we're going to install yum -y install, and we need to install the group, the GCC, and we need also install other tools. So we install GNU-C compiler, ms, also kernel/devel, and hopefully, I hope this install should be fast. I hope. Let me check. It's okay. So I'm going to write it here. And so after you reboot, don't forget you are still as a user, normal user. So you say substitute user, you go as root, and as root you put up the interface that connects to the one, and then you install Gnome-C compiler, ms, and also kernel/devel. After you're doing this, let's go to the machine, still installing. Now, after, you can go straight ahead to devices and insert the guest edition CD image. This will provide some other options, such as drag and drop could be bidirectional, and share clipboard also be directional. So it means that you can copy and paste it on your virtual machine after you install the guest editions. Now, you can also download Centos. You just write it down, download Centos, and you go straight ahead to the mirrors of your country. And the mirrors, you've got the DVD image. This is about 4 gigs, something like that. And you have also everything ISO, it's about 8 gigs. And you have so the minimal ISO, which is about 800 megs. and you can download it. Right now you can check that there is another compilation, the 1804. It's quite new, and it has the latest updates from Centos. So here you can download the Centos. Okay, download Centos. You write it and you can choose which system you want to download. Just let me check. Is almost finished. Well, today someone is stepping on the wireless cable. This is why you have such a smooth bandwidth. Oh, you have installed it, good. And after installation, right now you can go to devices, insert guest edition CD image, and the auto start will open. You say OK, then you put the password of the root, enter, and then it installs other modules that will be used for the guest and all for the compilation, the kernel compilation, because you're going to compile the kernel again against the VirtualBox kernel and the operating system where you are working on. So after, you'll reboot, and after rebooting you'll find out that you have a better, much better configuration, and as you can check, password, and right now, as you can check, it will the system will be able, I think, to well, generally it does. You have the possibility to sorry, so let's put it here, and right now you should copy, Control C, and here paste. As you can see, right now you can use the clipboard and also the window. I don't know why, but the window will adjust automatically to the size that you are working on. It should, but right now it's not. Well, but this is what you have to do after you install. So then you insert guest image from VirtualBox. You say the password and reboot. Okay, so I'm going to save this document. Save just a second. Preference, let me change here some things. Editor, white space, enable automatically font and colors, use system, and close. And I'm going to save it, file, to stay here on student, and we'll save as Okay. Oops. Again. File. Save as. Just the same thing. Student. Centos. Linux. Okay. I'm going to finish the video here, and then we'll begin by configuring the system. I'm going to stop.